Hi everyone, today we will be discussing about the famous playwright Shakespeare. The full name of Shakespeare is William Shakespeare. We will discuss a brief biography of William Shakespeare today. Shakespeare was born in April 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon, England. Okay, early life of Shakespeare. Limited formal education. Shakespeare has gotten limited formal education. He was not, that we heard about Shakespeare that he was not educated, but still he has become a famous person in English literature. We have heard about Shakespeare. So married to Anne Hathaway in 1582. Shakespeare had married to Anne Hathaway in 1582 and he had 3 children. Shakespeare had 3 children. Career of Shakespeare. Moved to London in the late 1580s. Shakespeare had moved to London, worked as an actor and playwright. And you know that Shakespeare was a great playwright and an actor, as well as Shakespeare was so famous personality in English literature, we can say. Shakespeare major plays. Total plays Shakespeare has written are 38 plays. Tragedies of Shakespeare are Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, and a lot of tragedies. These are some famous tragedies. Okay, comedies of Shakespeare. Midsummer Night's Dream. It's a famous comedy of Shakespeare. Much Ado About Nothing. This is another famous comedy of Shakespeare. As You Like It and Twelfth Night. These are the very famous comedies of Shakespeare. Histories. Shakespeare has also written about histories like Richard III. This is and Richard IV. Part 1 and Part 2 both are available. Shakespeare has written. Henry V he has written about. And romances means he had also romantic writing like The Tempest, The Winter's Tale, and some other writings are there. Okay, these are the some common and famous writings of Shakespeare. Sonnets of Shakespeare. Total sonnets he has written 154. Okay, themes of his sonnets are love, beauty, politics, mortality. Famous sonnets. The famous sonnets of Shakespeare are Sonnet 18. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? 1. Second, Sonnet 116. Let me not to the marriage of true minds. This is another important, we can say, the famous sonnet of Shakespeare. Shakespeare's status in literature. So what was the status of Shakespeare in literature? The Bard of Avon, revered as the greatest writer in English language. Okay, Shakespeare was the greatest writer in English literature. And also I heard about that Shakespeare was given the title of father of English literature. As we know that Geoffrey Chaucer, a great writer, is a father of English literature in 14th century, and in the 16th century Shakespeare was also given the title of the father of English literature. Okay, influence. Shaped modern English. Shakespeare has shaped modern English, introduced countless words and phrases, timeless themes, explored human nature, power, love, betrayal, and ambition. These are the themes of timeless themes of Shakespeare. Shakespeare's legacy. Cultural impact. Work translated into every major language performed worldwide. The work of Shakespeare was translated into every major language, means worldwide people have used his poetry, changing into their own language. Okay, performed worldwide. Modern adaptation inspired countless films, books, and other artworks. Means Shakespeare inspired books, means he is included in books, in films, and other artworks. Okay, enduring popularity continues to captivate audience over 400 years after his death. We can say more than 400 years, almost 500 years he has inspired and captivated audience minds after his death. Okay, Shakespeare died in April 23, 1616. So this was very short biography of Shakespeare. I hope that you people have understood, and again I will remind you, if you have liked and it was fruitful for you, you people have to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. We'll meet in next video.